Hello, my name is Jim Mullany. Today is Monday, January 29th, 2024. I hope everyone had nice Christmas and New Year's holidays and starting the new year off well. Today I'm doing a video prior to ship inspection on a fully remanufactured Semi-Tool 270F as in Frank spin rinse dryer. This has been upgraded to the Slick device controller. We do not give our customers names out on these videos because they're uploaded to our YouTube channel, but I will give you their PO number. P230184. This system is a 260F. The F means it uses a brush motor, and it's a custom for the customer's pallets. You see right there. The options that have been included on there, and I'll look back here. One is the Slick device. Oops. Okay. One is the light indicator. We have the EMO back here, and I see the DI resistivity option and DI recirculation. And this system is fully CE marked for Europe. I'll go ahead and start this video, start the rinser dryer, and then I can talk about a remanufacturing process. This customer runs some custom substrates, as you can see. They're proprietary, so I won't go into much detail, but I'll tell you in a second. Okay? Very heavy load. So this customer has purchased, and we have a refurb program going on where they're taking their older semi-tools and send them to us, and we're doing a complete refurbishment. This is a replacement tool supplied from Sitek stock. It's not one of theirs. One of their other systems just arrived about a week ago that we're going to start the remanufacturing process on also. So at Sitek, we offer complete refurbishments of the Semi-Tool S models in Sam, F as in Frank, and the traditional STs. You might see an ST right here behind me. This customer sent in the only one, the bottom head refurbished. Here's an S model for 200 millimeter substrates. You can see we're quite busy in final tests at the end of the month here, trying to get tools shipped out. Our remanufacturing process that's detailed in our customers' quotes is we do a complete breakdown of the system, rebuild all the necessary parts. We have a whole list of parts that we replace, and I won't go into that detail. Again, it's on the quote. The system is built up in our dry test manufacturing. It passes a QC by another technician. Once it does, it comes into wet test. It comes in without this poly on it, like you can see this poly now. It comes in just the head assembly. It goes through the DI system, gets debugged, make sure all the fittings are tight and so forth. After approximately 50 process runs with no errors, we put it in its final configuration. In this case, it's got the EMO, the Slick device, the light indicator, all the new poly, and then it's run approximately another 50 times, and then its sales is notified to do the video. I actually handle our international distributors and our international accounts. That's why I'm doing the video today. Besides offering fully manufactured systems, on this F model we have 100% replacement parts. The new Sitek controller, yes. Indicators, EMOs, this is rotors, motors, servo, 8 PSI sensors, 20 PSI sensors, the rotor stop positioner, all heater blankets, static eliminators, resistivity probes, everything and anything. Most of the products have been re-engineered by Sitek here, so we offer our own version of these replacement parts. This system is going through a traditional process, which was the rinse. We're now in while I was talking, we went through a purge process that blew the water out of the end, the water nozzle, so it wouldn't drip back. We now go into a traditional higher RPM, which is 1800 RPM, dry 1. It'll be over in about 15 seconds. Then we'll go into an elongated dry 2, which uses the N2 centrifugal force heater blankets to dry the substrates. This customer, because of the type substrates they have, we actually use it a longer dry cycle than normal. So this has 294. That's not the long one. They run approximately, if I remember correctly, 9 minutes, which would be about 540. So I'm running a shorter duration for this video for ease. So on the F model, again, I told you we have 100% spare parts. On the S model, which is one of the other systems next to me, we offer 100% spare parts. New servo drives, new brushless motors, anything and everything as I discussed. Also on the traditional ST, we offer complete older controller repairs. We have a ton of these controllers in stock that we sell as repairs and refurbished systems. We have all the motors, everything behind the scenes here we offer as new. We do obviously rotors for lots of different substrates. As you can tell, this is a very custom rotor because that was a custom square substrate holder in there and custom substrates. We have about 4 minutes to go. To talk about some of the other key product lines at Sitek, we are the leader in the Floorware Integrous HTC box washer, refurbishments and supplying tools. That would be the 4000, 8000, 8010, 20 and 30. We offer quite a lot of the spare parts, in fact almost all of the spare parts, from the heaters to the air nozzles to the Omron controllers to the HEPA filters, etc. We also have been doing this in 2023, quite a lot of in-field mini refurbishments where customers don't want to send their large tool to us, but we have our engineering staff go out and spend 3 to 5 days at their site doing a refurb. Rounding out our wet processing is the mask and wafer scrubbers. That would be your single wafer Ultra T, Ultra Tech, K&S type scrubbers. That would be high pressure scrub or a combination of both. And we have a lot of spare parts on those too. Those three kind of round out our wet processing line at Sitek. Some of the other processes we do is metrology. We do 10 core, the KLA 10 core, the Gertner lipsometry, Rudolph, nanometrics, DECTAC. We have quite a lot of systems in our stock, which you can go to our website at sitekprocess.com. The top left site, there's a search thing. You can put in an example, 10 core 6420, and it'll bring up the product page of that, or nanometrics 210, etc. If you do a more broad search like nanometrics, you'll get all of the nanometrics tools we have in stock, or we have access to. Okay, got about 2 minutes left to go. Part of what we also do, in fact, we have 3 of our service engineers out today. We go to customer sites besides the HCC on the semi-tool, our OEM SRDs. We do PMs, we do in-field repairs, in-field retrofits and upgrades. I know that we have 3 people from a manufacturing site out today in the Bay Area doing some work at different customer sites. This system is in excellent condition. What I'll be doing is after this video is done, we'll have it converted and loaded on our YouTube channel. Hopefully I'll be able to send it to the customer tonight. They'll be able to give the okay so we can get this packaged up by Wednesday to get it shipped out before the end of the month. Again, it's going international, so there's a little logistics we have to do in their shipping company to make sure it's picked up in time. Okay, we have about a minute and 20 seconds left. What happens at the end of the process, in the back of the tool, by the cam assembly, it's called a RSP, or rotor stop positioner. On that RSP, it has a piston that comes out. It rolls on the cam assembly to a specific spot, which we call home or 12 o'clock. It'll upright the cassette to 12 o'clock. Once the RPMs go down to 0, you probably won't hear it inside of the camera or the video, but I'll be able to hear it. I'll hear the door release. I see it's locked now. And then I'll be able to open the door and feel for the warm substrates. You'll notice on the light indicator, when it was yellow or amber, that means it's ready to process. Green means it's running process. At the end of the process, it'll become blue. It means unload me. We have about 5 seconds left. Our graphic interface controller tells you everything that's going on. There we go. I heard the rotor stop positioner fire or extend. Okay, I heard the door release just now. When at the end of the process, it tells you completed a successful process. It gives you all the times. If it had an error, it would say unsuccessful process. When you cleared it, you can clear it by hitting OK, hitting the stop, or open the door. Any of them work, I'll open the door. If it wasn't successful and there was an error, this alarm screen would be on, and the alarm would dictate what is happening and what has to be fixed. Can we feel nice and warm? Because these are customers' proprietary substrates, I'm not gonna, oh, they're heavy too. I'm not gonna show them on our video, but the cassette's nice and warm. I'll put them back in. Quite heavy load, actually. Alrighty, so again, normally I would bring out the substrates and show, but again, these are proprietary to the customer, so I'm not doing that. So this will conclude our very short prior to ship acceptance video of a fully remanufactured Semi-Tool 270F spinner rinse dryer upgraded to the state-of-the-art Sitek Slick Device F1 controller, which this controller, along with our refurbishment process, makes this rinse dryer as good or better than any rinse dryer you can buy on the market today, and at a very reliable and aggressive price compared to new. Again, today is January 29th, 2024. My name is Jim Mullany. I hope everyone has a great rest of the spring. Thank you.